I'm going to show you how to do a root vegetable called jicama. Other people know it as jicama, but you could also use the same technique for turnips and celeriac. All these vegetables, they have a thin skin, so you could use your peeler and just go around and remove the skin. If this is difficult, you could always use the technique of taking your knife and going around. All right, now that we peeled it, you have to stabilize it, right? So we're gonna go straight down on the root. And now on the other side. You could use a mandoline and just make very thin slices that you could even stuff like a dumpling. I'm also gonna show you how to create cubes. Now that it's stable, we're gonna go straight down and create our blocks. Square it off and proceed the same manner like you would a potato.